Hi, today we're doing an unboxing of the Doona car seat stroller. I really hope this box is okay because it's sitting out in the rain. Hopefully it's not ruined. So this is the car seat that actually turns into a stroller.
Well, I guess it's a box inside of a
I
box.
think it is. So far it looks good.
Okay, you might hear my brother in the background. He's a bit crazy.
Okay, let's flip it on its side. Ooh, so new. Look at this. Even this box is cool. Look at the box right here. The box even has handles. That's kind of cool. All right, here we go. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this for a very long time. Researched it months and months ago. It's every mother's dream stroller. Okay.
I guess it's a box inside of a box inside of a wrapper.
Okay, this is the base. We'll put this up to the side. I think that's the base. That might actually be the car. That's the car seat. That's the base. All right.
Okay.
Oh, that's not that bad. I thought that was going to be heavier. All right, that's good. Good sign. Should I just rip into it or should I cut it nicely?
First, rip into it.
I feel like I should cut it nicely.
Okay, just cut it.
This is so exciting. And it's got the infant headrest. Oh, this is beautiful. It's got that new stroller smell. Ah. Oh my goodness. That looks so good.
How do you know if it's new?
Well, how do I know it's new? I got it new. Look. Smell it. It's got the new stroller smell.
You're weird.
Okay, maybe I should read the directions. You think I should read the directions?
Okay.
Or should I just try to like mess with it here?
Maybe you should read the directions and I'll pause the video.
Let's just live dangerously. Let's take these off. I know you're not excited about this, but I am extremely excited. Strollers are so bulky and annoying, but I think this one has solved that problem. Okay, so this would be like if you wanted to carry it, but you don't have to carry it because of this. Ready? Ready? Holy moly, it's a stroller.
Okay, that's cool.
And I didn't even do the directions, which means it's definitely easy to follow. Oh, wait, I gotta take the brake off.
Okay, this is my brother.
Oh my goodness, look at how gorgeous this little guy is. And look at see, all right, so it's got brakes. And it
Wait,
almost
brakes?
yeah, look. So if you want to stop, you press the red pedal. Okay, and it locks it. It's the brake. And if you want to go again, you press the green pedal.
Eat.
Okay, I'm in love. What do you guys think?
I think it's good.
Yeah?
It's actually one of the best strollers.
Because it turns into the car seat itself. Try to push it. Easy to push?
Mm-hmm. You still got this stuff in here.
That's the base.
Oh, do you need that?
Yep, it doesn't need the base, but it comes with the base. Alright, it's gorgeous. We love it.
Yeah, and bye.
Bye.
And subscribe and hit the bell and like this video so you can see new videos or something like that.